Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're diving into an exciting chapter in space exploration as NASA gears up to announce the astronauts who will embark on the groundbreaking Artemis 3 mission. This mission marks a significant leap forward in the ambitious Artemis program, which aims to explore the Moon and beyond. Unlike its predecessor, Artemis 2, which was a test flight around the Moon, Artemis 3 will involve intricate space maneuvers. The Orion spacecraft will be launched into Earth's orbit, where the crew will practice rendezvous and docking with lunar landers. They will also test new space suits designed for lunar surface operations. The selection of astronauts for Artemis 3 hinges on their experience with new spacecraft and extravehicular activities. NASA is seeking astronauts adept at operating untested systems, with prior missions, such as those to the International Space Station, providing an added advantage. Among the frontrunners for the Artemis 3 crew are Raja Chari, Nicole Mann, Kayla Barron, and Andre Douglas. These individuals boast extensive backgrounds in aviation and extravehicular activities, having also contributed to the development of the human landing system, making them ideal candidates for this mission. There's also a possibility of including an astronaut from the European Space Agency, like Samantha Cristoforetti or Matthias Maurer, in the crew. Given ESA's contributions to NASA programs, such as the development of the Orion service module, their inclusion would be a logical step. As we await NASA's official announcement, there's a hopeful buzz that Artemis 3 will pave the way for future space achievements. With its focus on rigorous training and prior experience, this mission promises to be a remarkable milestone in the history of space exploration. Subscribe to Science Hub for more fascinating science content.